Hello, welcome. I will show you in this video on how to place your order. But there are two ways to place order on 1688. It depends on which one will work for you. Basically on 1688 you have to choose between these options. You can either choose to buy directly from 1688 or you can choose to buy using agents. You can choose to buy on 1688 directly using the platform. You have to register on 1688 and you have to add your Alipay account in order for you to buy, or you can buy using agents. Agents are people that help you to procure your products on 1688 or Alibaba, or you can contact them by clicking on their contacts in order to get their phone numbers to chat them either on WhatsApp or WeChat, but mostly on WeChat. Then on WeChat you can tell them you want this product and you want them to ship this product to you. Then you guys can now come to a conclusion on either to pay using a WeChat or either to pay using Alipay. Everything is left for you to decide which model to use to make a transaction. So in the next video I will show you on how to get contact of your supplier in order to chat them up on WeChat or WhatsApp and then process your orders.